In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your Epson WorkForce WF-2530 series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Epson WorkForce WF-2530 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result, you come back with an Epson support page. It says Epson WorkForce WF-2530. Go ahead and open that up. And then you can just scroll down and underneath operating system, click the drop down and select a version of Windows, Mac, or Linux that is applicable for your device, and then select go. And then scrolling down again, select the driver and utility combo package and the corresponding download button. And then once it's downloaded to your system, just go ahead and open up that file to begin extracting the contents. Should be a verified publisher as well from Epson. Select yes, and then just proceed with the installer for the WorkForce WF-2530 driver and utility combo package. Select OK, and then like I said, all the steps should be presented to you on the screen. Just would follow through with the instructions, and you could configure optional features and software updates you may want to enable with the printer, as well as your preferred connection type, whether it's a wired or wireless based connection. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.